All right, we are going to be doing question number 3 from tonight's homework to start with. Copper 2 sulfate and magnesium fluoride. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to write my reactants. So these are my reactants right here. Copper, sulfate, plus magnesium, magnesium fluoride. Remember, fluoride is just fluorine. It's just the ionic name for it. Next thing I'm going to do, so this is what they look like. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write the charges that they have, okay? So copper has a +2 charge, and we know that because in the name, the Roman numerals tell us the name of, tell us the charge for that cation. Sulfate has a -2 charge. So when we crisscross, we'll have 2 at the bottom of each. And if we have 2, what do? We can just simplify them and cross them out. Okay? Magnesium is +2 and fluoride is -1. So when we crisscross, we have a 2 down by fluoride. Okay? So that's what these look like right now. These are reactants. I'll erase this to make it a little bit neater. Okay? Our reactants. Cool. Our products of this double replacement reaction. Remember, in a double replacement reaction, the cations switch places. Our cations switch places. Remember, it's a cation and it's positively charged. Okay? So this is what our products are going to look like. I'll start with copper fluoride plus magnesium sulfate. Okay? Copper fluoride plus magnesium sulfate. The two have switched places. The really important thing now that we have to be checking will be the charges on our products. Copper is +2. Fluoride is -1. Magnesium is +2. Sulfate is -2. You notice I didn't bring any of my subscripts over to my products. I didn't just carry them over. I have to create new subscripts for my products. If I crisscross here, fluoride still has a 2. Magnesium and sulfate both have +2, -2. That means they cancel out, or simplify is better than cancel out, and won't have subscripts. So that's what our product looks like. Copper fluoride with a subscript of 2 plus magnesium sulfate. Next most important thing is to check to see if it's balanced. Okay? We all know how to do that. We start by writing what we have. Copper, sulfate, magnesium, fluorine, copper, sulfate, magnesium, fluorine. I've got 1 copper, 1 sulfate, 1 magnesium, 2 fluorine. Here I've got 1 copper, 1 sulfate, 1 magnesium, 2 fluorine. So these are balanced as is. 1, 1, 1, 1. And that is how we do number 3. Most important thing, the thing that we really learned about doing today, was predicting our products. And the key part in that is correctly identifying the new subscripts. Good luck with the other 3. Have a great day.